Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. Are you tired of making a nice, big, beautiful salad? No one eats it all. You put it in the fridge, and by the next day, it's bad, it's soggy, it's gross, and definitely no one is going to eat it now. Well, I was done with it. So I decided to try out a salad spinner by OXO. So I cut up this salad and put it in the spinner about 3 days ago and purposefully did not touch it just so I could show you how fresh this salad still is. Even the onions in there have stayed nice and crisp. Now, this salad spinner is obviously very large in size, takes up quite a bit of room in the refrigerator, but it's so worth it. Not only is this going to keep your leaves fresh and crispy, but it's also a lot of fun to use. It does have this locking mechanism so that it fits better into your refrigerator. And all you simply have to do is slide it and this pops up. I really like that it keeps the leaves away from all the moisture. And once you put this lid on, it does seal in the moisture. So that's what keeps the leaves so fresh because the humidity is still there, but it's not sitting in that water and going bad. If you've been on the fence about getting yourself a salad spinner, come on over to this side of things because you're not going to regret it. This is so much fun to play with and it keeps my food nice and fresh. And that's my point of view.